going up was up in the play.
Yep. Right there.
A New York penalty to number 27, Anders Lee.
Sucks!
2 minutes for tripping. Time 13:42. Lee, New York, 2 minutes for tripping at 13:42.
What were you thinking?
We're passing the stand post. That's the plan. That's the only plan. Callahan! Hey, look, they can't pass the stand post. Nice.
Right across the middle.
Shoot them.
Oh my God. Teddy, put your stick down.
Out of danger.
My God. Can you hack him a little more? Hey, oh! He got it! Holy shit. Let him touch it, let him touch it, let him touch it. Timeout, Lightning. Yes. Just rip it. Come on. We know where it's going. Just give it to him. Shot it right at him. Give it back.
Number 3, Travis Hamonic. 2 minutes for tripping. Time 3:51. Hamonic, New York. 2 minutes for tripping at 3:51.
I wonder where the puck is going. I have no idea.
Sammy!
Oh, come on.
Get the puck to the net!
It doesn't have to go to him.
You've got to be kidding me.
Take the shot.
You had an open shot in the side.
Yeah, baby. Ryan! You can't do any worse than the other ones.
Yeah! We always got to go try to shoot it in the 5-hole. We don't ever try to deep, you know? I always try to go 5-hole.
The first shooter for the New York Islanders, number 18, Ryan Strong.
Good boy, Ben.
Second shooter for your Tampa Bay Lightning.
Come on, Thor! Hammer of the gods! Let's go, Thor!
Try the deep instead of always shooting 5-hole.
The third shooter for your Tampa Bay Lightning, number 18,
Come on, Pally! Because he sucks. Ooh, that 5-hole's open for business. Come on. Why the hell would you shoot Callahan? Come on. Get your head out of your ass, Cooper.
fourth shooter for the New York Islanders, number 12, Josh Bailey.
He better deep. Phil Pullout! Come on, Flipper, Deke! Deke! He showed that one.
Lost off the end of the season.
Thanks for the New York Islanders, number 15, Cal Clutterbuck.
Sucks! Why are we shooting these guys? I don't understand.
For the New York Islanders, number 17, Matt Martin.
Sucks! Should have backed up. Do a spinorama. Do that spinorama. I call that.
Yes, you did.
make it in 3 hours.
You took a nap today.
15 minutes.
How many times we're going to score 3 times and shoot out?
Hoots!
Shot it right at him.
Great
The only
shot.
time we beat him was we
The
tried
New York Islanders number 15, Cal Clutterbuck, has been issued a game misconduct.
Sucking.
For the New York Islanders, number 27, Anders Lee.
Number 39, Anders Lindbach.
Tampa Bay Lightning, number 16, Teddy Barzal.
Just bring the next guy up.
What the post?
Finally! Thank you! He straight up missed it. Johnny! Oh, shooting right at him.
Every time we shoot right at him, it
For
doesn't
the
work.
New York Islanders, number 14, Thomas Hickey.
I don't know. 8, 9. Woo! Post.
One post each way now.
Matt Carl.
For your Tampa Bay Lightning, number 25, Matt Carl.
Bishop! 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 Woo!
Four times and give him the lead, he's giving it up.
Damn it, Bishop, you're traded!
For your Tampa Bay Lightning, number 17, Alex Gilmore. For the New York Islanders, number 43, Mike Elmo.
Nice way to poke check yourself.
I remember my first shot!
For your Tampa Bay Lightning, number 6,
Sammy Sallow! What about JT Brown? Nate Thompson?
shot it.
Leave the hat on. Leave it on. Leave the hat on. I'm leaving my hat on.
When you deep, you score.
I'm leaving it on.
Come on, Bishop.
The hat stays on. Come on, Fish.
there was 13 rounds in the shootout.